Yep.
Yep.
Nope.
No.
Nope.
Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company.
Nope.
I'm Dave.
Nah.
And that's Dave.
No.
That's Dave?
No.
Incorrect.
Almost got him there. Did you see that? Hey guys, we have been celebrating Christmas this year by working our way
No.
through the 24 days of Christmas with the Lego Advent Calendar.
Incorrect.
Nope.
Advent City?
Nope.
Lego City Advent?
Nah.
Lego City Advent Calendar, that's what it is.
Nope.
No.
If you've missed out on any of those videos, be sure you check out the link right up there. Oh.
No.
Nope.
Oh, is it over there?
Nope.
Nuh-uh.
See what I have to deal with on a daily basis?
Nope.
We're going to roll those credits and we'll be right back.
Nope. No, we won't.
All right, so today
Nope.
is day 192.
Nope.
Boy, it's starting to seem like it, I'll tell you. Day 16.
Definitely feels like it.
Nope.
Oh, what day is it?
Huh?
It's day 16. And
Nope.
as you can see, it must be Dave's turn.
Nope.
He's going to dig in and build us a something.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Nope.
I think this may have something to do with ice.
Nope.
Looks like a train of some sort.
Nuh-uh.
Okay, David, could you stop? That's getting old.
Nope.
Nope.
No?
No way.
Hey, this is kind of fun. Nope.
Implausible.
Yep.
Uh-uh.
Nah.
Yep.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
Nope.
No.
Uh-uh.
Yep.
Why not?
Nah.
No.
I don't know.
Maybe.
Nope.
Yep.
Nuh-uh.
Eh.
Oh, boy.
Nope.
Nope.
Hey, does that orange thing connect to that other orange thing?
Nope.
So it looks like it's got wheels on the bottom of it, but I don't think they're real wheels.
Probably not.
I've done the wrong thing.
I knew it.
Nope.
Yep.
Nope.
Yep, yep, yep,
Nuh-uh.
yep, 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 yep,
Nah.
yep.
No way.
Nope.
No.
Uh-uh.
Eh.
You done over there yet?
Nope.
It's got lots of colors.
Nah.
Black,
Nuh-uh.
gray, orange, green,
Correct.
blue glass.
Nope.
No.
Uh-uh.
What is that for anyway?
Nope.
We're going to have to write to Lego and find out what exactly we're building here.
It's a train.
What kind of
I
train?
knew it.
Nope.
A Christmas train.
Nuh-uh.
What?
No way.
Okay, no,
No,
that's the train.
that's the train. Santa's riding on the train, so...
With a cookie.
Show me the
Yeah.
instructions.
Oh, yeah. I guess you do need those, huh? Oh, I thought you knew what you were doing over there.
Nope.
So does this mean there's two different trains?
Nope.
Like I said, this feels more like something you would use on the ice, maybe.
Nuh-uh.
What do you call those things? I'm trying to think.
Nope.
But
Why
this
not?
one, it's like it's... You clean the ice and it goes into the big wagon thing here, and so you haul the ice away. You smooth the ice out. What are those called? I can't think all of a sudden.
Nope.
That's what I said.
Nuh-uh.
Uh-huh.
No way.
Yep.
Not at all.
Correct. Incorrect.
Wrong. Try again.
I don't think he's doing it right.
I need the instructions.
Well, they're right there. Nope.
Uh-uh.
Nah.
No way.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
No.
No. Yes. No.
I don't know if I'm going to survive Christmas this year.
Nope.
They're probably right.
Correct.
Yup.
So where does the...
Nope.
Are you sure that's...
Nuh-uh.
Nope.
What is that?
Maybe.
Oh, that goes there. Okay. I see now. I still don't understand.
Nope.
Nope.
But it's done.
Extra pieces. It is complete, and it's wrecked.
Nope.
Could be a truck. Yeah, that looks like a truck. That looks like a truck.
Nope. Try again. It's a plane.
Okay, yeah, no, that's a truck.
It doesn't even have wings.
Nope.
Yeah, that's a big truck.
Okay, well, I think we have determined we have no clue what we're doing.
Nope. It's a big truck,
Yep.
but not big enough for the people.
It goes around on the ice. See, like that.
Nuh-uh.
Honestly, I can't really correct him on this one. I don't know.
You can't correct me anyway, because I'm always right.
It's dirt.
I think that's enough for today. What do y'all think?
Nope.
Yes.
Nuh-uh.
We're really glad you guys stayed around and watched this all the way to the end.
Nope.
We really appreciate it. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up to let us know that you liked it. And comment below. Make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell, and we will see you right here on DIY Dave tomorrow.
Nope.
Nuh-uh.
Ignore the...
Correct.
Nope.
Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.
Nope.
Nope.